Brinjal diversity. Brinjal or eggplant is one of the most common, popular and principal vegetable crop grown in India. It can be grown in almost all parts of India throughout the year. It is believed to be the native of India with secondary center of origin as China. In brinjal, a large variation in plant types, fruit color, shapes, and sizes are available. Two main fruit types, namely round and long, are cultivated throughout India. The fruits may be white, yellow, green, black, pink, purple, and striped in color. Now, let's see the TNAU varieties in brinjal. Co-1 or Coimbatore 1. It was released in the year 1978 with crop duration of 160 days. Fruits are oblong and medium sized with pale green shade under white background. Each fruit on an average weighs 50 to 60 gram. It has a yield potential of 20 to 25 tons per hectare. PKM 1 or Periaculum 1. It was released in the year 1984, which is an induced mutant of local type Pulthikathiri. It yields an average of 34.75 tons per hectare in a duration of 150 to 155 days. The fruits measure 6 to 8 centimeter in length and 10 to 14 centimeter in girth with a mean weight of 55 gram. The fruits are small with green stripes. Co2 or Coimbatore 2. It was released in the year 1988. It is a pure line selection from the local variety Varikathri of Coimbatore district. The fruits have dark purple stripes intermingled with light green color. They are oblong in shape with smooth calyx. The crop yield is around 35 tons per hectare in a duration of 150 days. Co-BH1 or Coimbatore Brinjal Hybrid 1. It was released in the year 2001. It is a F1 hybrid between EP45 and CO2. It is a high yielder recording an average yield of 56.4 tons per hectare in about 120 to 130 days. April to December is ideal season for cultivation of this variety. The fruits are medium sized, oblong in shape and dark violet in color. The average single fruit weight is 60 to 65 grams. KKM 1 or Kilikulam 1. It was released in the year 1995. It is suitable for cultivation in both irrigated and rain-fed condition. It yields about 37 tons per hectare in 130 to 135 days. MDU 1 or Madurai 1. It was released in the year 1979. It yields 34 tons per hectare in a duration of 135 to 145 days. PLR 1 or Palur 1. It was released in the year 1990. It yields on an average of 25.1 ton per hectare. Now let's see the other important varieties in brinjal. Harita. It is white flowered, light green, non-prickly, branching and long fruited variety. Average fruit weight is 128.3 gram. It yields 6.4 kg per plant. It is resistant against bacterial wilt. Black Bell. It is a F1 hybrid variety with duration of 68 days. Fruits are large, oval, purple black in color. It is an excellent quality variety with long shelf life. It is resistant against TMV. Arka Kusumakar. The fruits are medium long, finger shaped, and pale green in color. It yields about 45 tons per hectare in 120 days duration. Arka Nidhi. It is a bacterial wilt resistant variety with the yield of 48.5 tons per hectare in 150 days duration. Arka Shield. It is a pure line selection from a Coorg type developed at IIHR Bangalore. Fruits are medium long and deep purple in color with less seed. It yields about 39 tons per hectare in 120 days. Arka Shirish. It is an extra long brinjal cultivar improved from a local variety called Irangeri brinjal of Karnataka state. Fruits are very long, light green in color, and the yield is around 45 to 47 tons per hectare in a crop duration of 115 days. It was evolved at IIHR Bangalore. Thank you.